Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your live chat messenger settings. After you have Gist installed on your website or your app, you'll want to change those live chat messenger settings to match your branding and your colors. First things first, you're going to go to Settings here in the top bar. And then on the left, you'll see under Messenger, Appearance. This will take you to the screen where you can edit your live chat widget. The first thing you can change is the greeting message. I'm just going to change it to "Hey there." And you can see that the settings are automatically updated and saved, and then you can actually see those changes immediately here on this side. You can also change your intro message. Next thing, you can change the background color. There are several preset colors. You can choose between gradient, which gives it this nice gradient look, or you can do a solid color. And if you have your personal colors, either from your designer or from the site or app that you designed yourself, you can put those custom colors in here. Now that is the background color, and now they have the icon color. The icon is in the bottom right hand of the widget, and you can again change it between gradient, and you can do the preset colors there, or a solid color, or a custom color. The font color, you can choose black, you can choose white, or you can even do a custom color as well. Next, we have the messenger icon, whichever fits your branding first. Like if you have a very flat web design, this one would be good, maybe this one. Or if you just want to go with a little bit more 3D option, you can do this one, that one, or this last one here. We'll go ahead and go with this one for now. Then there are a few options. You can play a sound when the site visitor gets a new chat message, or you can turn that off very easily. You can flash the tab bar when a visitor has a new message from your team to grab their attention, or you can turn that off. You can ask for an email. Ask for an unidentified user for their email address when they start a conversation with you. You can do this always, never, or this option is only outside of your office hours. Now these email addresses will automatically go into your Gist contacts, and you can start sending them marketing emails with Gist email marketing. And then you can actually personalize your call to action right there. And then the launcher position. This is choose the position of the messenger on your website. You can choose left or right. And then the spacing as far as pixels goes to change the position of it depending on how it appears on your site. Like if you have other icons in the lower right, like say social buttons or things like that, you can change that padding and spacing just a little bit. So that's it. I encourage you to get your live chat messenger settings up and running so you can have Gist looking great on your website or app.